Welcome to Jordan Foreign Life TV. Subscribers, those who haven't yet subscribed, welcome one and all. Another eventful afternoon. So we're going to make gungo rice and peas. Here we have the gungo in water along with some garlic cloves. And later on, we'll be doing some baked chicken and also a curried goat. So stay tuned. We're going to put this on for at least 15 minutes on the pressure cooker. Stay tuned.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to put our vegetable seasoning and our powdered seasoning, and we already washed the goat, so we're going to put those seasoning on there. And
now he's cutting those julienne style carrots. And we always put a little white potato. They call them up here Idaho potatoes. Or sometimes they call them, I think, Russell.
alright, so we're going to throw these into the thing that's drained. Sweet pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, anything you like.
And doesn't that look absolutely amazing?
So these are just the vegetable seasoning. We're going to put powder seasoning on. Alright, let's move this out of the way.
All-purpose seasoning.
I won't put too much in there. It has to be Maggi, all-purpose. It's very important. Then whatever else seasoning you like, you use it. Remember, we are making curried goats. Normally put some black pepper. I don't use measurement, you can just judge it. Garlic powder. Powder is different from garlic salt. There's a difference. Salt is the salty one, powder is just powder. Now this, I'm gonna season it up. I don't want my finger to get curried up, so I'm gonna season it up.
So it's like you're doing a massage. So you're massaging, you're rubbing in those flavors into your meat.
So normally we season this thing and put it down for days, but tonight is different. We're gonna just season it up and cook it. So make sure everything is consistent with seasoning. Some people put a little oil in there to season it, but the less oil the better it is for me. If you're working in a restaurant, you use a gloves, but I'm at home, I use my bare hands. We also have this. It's a chicken. What kind of chicken was that?
We're going to be doing baked chicken, so it's already pre-seasoned.
So it's seasoned with powder seasoning and some liquid seasoning, and we're just making it marinating right now while we do the goats.
Stay tuned for more.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're now gonna put our chicken in the baking dish. So let's see how it's been done.
And we keep the skin on the chicken to keep it moist. Most people like to remove the skin, but this is just so that it retains the moisture.
You heard that? So we keep the skin on the chicken just to keep it moist. On gyro chicken.
See those juices? Look at that.
Yeah. Look there. Look good in you. Smell good, man. Yeah, drip off it.
You want to leave the juice like that.
Yeah. Yeah, so you fry the bacon thing and then put the chicken them in there.
So I preheated the oven. It's taking a while.
Smell I say
1,000.
Yeah, man. People, if you could have smelled this through the TV, smell really good. You see, I drizzle it.
Just a little so that it retains the moisture.
Yes, people, so that's all my baked chicken. Alright, so she'll put in our oven. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Yeah, and fire.
Alrighty.
So yes, ladies and gentlemen, so we're gonna put the goat, in a hot pot. So if you notice how I cook my curry, I don't curry the goat in the container that I'm seasoning it with, because I don't want my hands to get curried, and also I don't use any oil, and so no burning of curry is necessary in this video. So after this, do this with the curry. So the burning of curry is that they want the curry to cook easily, but this is goat, it's gonna cook. So it's not very necessary for you to burn curry. You can do it like this. Let's curry on the fingers. As I cook, I see more curry. I don't want to put too much curry in there, I don't want to put too little.
Now it's time to add a little water. And trust me, the aroma is already there.
So we're going to let this cook, and as time goes by, I add more water until it's cooked to perfection. So yes, you can cook curry this way. You don't have to be burning your curry and using oil. Stay away from oil as much as you can. So we're going to cover it and let it simmer. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so.
Beautiful, amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, the peas is already pressured or cooked, so we're gonna cook the rice and peas in a rice cooker. We're gonna season to taste, and let you know what's happening. Then please subscribe to this channel. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have some coconut milk in here and some vegetable seasoning like pepper, scallion, and thyme, and salt to taste. So she's getting out all the juices from the scallion. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Looks good, right? Let's make it go and cook down.
Look at the color. You see that?
Yep, it's really good. Yeah. So just make it go and cook them. And so like I said, if you haven't subscribed, do so. So that when we make a video, you're the first to see it. Yeah, we'll make it go and simmer down. Look at this. This is the rice cooker. Rice is not yet in. I'm just making the coconut milk cook a little bit before we put the rice in. So,
Coconut milk, it's cooking down, and the color, if you notice, is a little bit pink. When we just put it in, it was white. So that's what the peas complements the coconut milk. So it changes the color to give that beautiful taste.
look at that, look at that. See how it look good? Soon done bake, you know. Yeah man. We forward after I bake. Okay, we're washing the rice. Scrubbing. But please don't put soap and water in the rice, just water alone.
Some people use a strainer, but it's not needed.
Yeah.
You see how the water simmered down? So now it's time to add our rice that we just washed. And if you find that you have too much water in your rice, you can always take some out. So I'm going to take out a little when I get finished scraping this out. Right. Welcome back.
We're adding another ingredient to it. We're adding coconut milk. If you have the raw coconut that you grate it and juice it, it's better. But here in America, we use the coconut milk. Coconut powder that is.
It gives it a delicious flavor. So it tastes a little bit different, but it tastes real good.
So we're gonna let the coconut milk, coconut powder, simmer, give it its good flavor. Almost cooked. So all these things are looking about this. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Alright, so stay tuned with what's happening. We'll be right back. If you haven't subscribed, please do so.
God and Foreign Life TV, man. Cooking it down. Giving you all that flavor, that aroma.
I'll look funny again. See there. Start to look good now.
Alright. Keep watching. There's more. We have more to come.
Look at that, look at that. You see that? Chicken look good enough. Yeah man. Big chicken. Just throw some glaze pan and thing. Yeah man. I'll put it back in the oven. I'm gonna go and cook down a little bit more. And then take it out and chicken ready.
You see? The coconut milk has cooked fully into the pot.
Yes, so just make you go and simmer down some more. Keep stirring it so that it don't stick to the bottom because we add coconut milk to it. So coconut milk will make it kind of want to stick to the bottom. So we have to keep stirring it to make it keep moving, and you know, watch it more constantly. And yeah, that's how we do it. Very easy.
Okay, we'll keep you posted for the finished products.
Let's keep a look at the finished product. Looks good, not true?
Welcome back, Yard and Foreign Life TV subscribers. Thank you for watching and staying with us. So now,
yes, I see this now. It's done running up. So look, we're holding on more Japanese sauce. So more vegetable seasoning like pepper,
pepper,
onion, garlic,
sweet, green pepper,
yeah. So
and some more carrots.
so I'm going to do now is make this down. The meat cook to perfection.
Authentic flavors.
You see the gravy look? So gravy will look. So the curry gravy will look. Nothing watery. That and the meat must still, you know, meat salt, you know. So curry will look.
Well tender,
So,
without the use of a pressure cooker.
right. So we just gonna make these vegetables cook. I make it for about next 5 to 10 minutes, and then turn it off. And, you know, if you have a restaurant, you need whole heap of gravy for look like curry gravy. Or you know, Jamaican one curry gravy. Oxtail gravy or curry gravy. Yeah man, so I'll make it go and simmer down some more. And
Rice don't cook.
then this now rice don't cook, you know. And it tastes good too. Tastes one little piece of it tastes good. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Yard and Foreign Life TV. And stay tuned.
Share, like, comment.
Look at this. Good looking enough. Our finished product. Curry goats. See that? Yeah man.
Texture is everything.
Yeah man.
Taste is everything. The aroma, oh my goodness.
See, the kitchen smells really good. Curry goats. Yeah man. So yeah, this is how we make our curry goats.
Thank you for staying with us.
Like and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And big up to all of the subscribers, then big up yourself. And thanks for sharing this video. Bye. See you on the next video.